Okay, we want to put this in a factored form. It's quite challenging, right? But we see we have x minus y, 2x minus y, 3x minus y, 6x minus y. And then we have the xy term here. Maybe we want to manufacture somehow x minus y. So usually if we have factors like this, we multiply the small one with the big one. Then we multiply those two. We just manipulate, right? So let's see. So x minus y, we just keep writing it. Now, out of 6x minus y, we want to write as x minus y plus 5x. In this case, we still have 6x. But somehow by doing this, we say we have x minus y times x minus y. So similarly, we want to write 2x minus y as x minus y plus x. In this case, we still have 2x. We want to minus x minus y plus 2x. Right? We just rewrite them. But we want to create something in common for them. So let me change my color. Now you see x minus y, x minus y, x minus y, x minus y. Right? And of course, we need to add x squared. Oops. Add x squared, y squared. We need to carry x squared, y squared with us. Now let's multiply 2 by 2. So if we multiply those two factors, right, we get x minus y squared plus 5x times x minus 1. We do the same for those two factors. So we get, oh, hold on, we need to use this bracket. We're treating x minus y as one term. Then we have x minus y squared plus, what's our middle term? Middle term, we have x times x minus y. We have 2x times x minus y. So x plus 2x is 3x. We have 3x times x minus y. You know, somehow if you want, you could use another variable to substitute x, y. Okay. Then we have x times 2x, which is plus 2x squared. Then in the end, we have to carry x squared, y squared with us for now. So now let's compare this. Let me change my color to be blue. You see we have x minus y squared in common. Here we have 5x times x minus y. Here we have 3x times x minus y. Maybe somehow we want to manufacture, I'm going to use the same color, plus 2x times x minus y. We're just treating x minus y as one term. If we plus this term, we have to minus at the same time, right? Because we can only add 0 to the expression. So why do I have to do this? Because by doing so, I get 5x times x minus y, right? Then those two terms have positive 2x squared, have negative 2x squared. They cancel with each other. So what's left is a negative 2x times negative y, which is positive plus 2xy. So my second parenthesis, I have x minus y squared plus 5x times x minus y plus 2xy. My first one, let me just write it. I have x minus y squared plus 5x times x minus y. Yeah. Do you see I have the same term? I have x minus y squared plus 5x minus y. I have x minus y squared plus 5x minus x minus y. Now, I can treat this as somehow as one thing, right? As one thing. Then, because I have these 2x xy. Well, let's just write it out first. So I have this term, multiply this term, I get a square term. I get x minus y squared plus 5x times x minus y squared, right? Because this one times this one. Then plus 2xy times this term. 2xy times x minus y squared plus 5x times x minus y. Yeah, for you just treating this as one thing, treating this whole expression as one group, okay? And of course, I cannot forget about my x squared, y squared. Right? Every step, I have to remember to add x squared, y squared. Well, what's x squared, y squared? X squared, y squared is xy squared, right? Now, do you see a perfect square form? Right, treating this as b, treating this as a, right? You see we have a squared times this is b, this is a, this is a squared. So I have this 2. So a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Sorry, this is b squared. This is b. Right? So I can write as a plus b squared. But my a is a little bit complicated. My a is x minus y squared plus 5x times x minus y. Right? That's my a squared. That's my a. This is my a. Then plus my b. My b is xy. Then squared. I got this perfect square form. Now I can simplify a little bit. So let's write it out. So we have perfect square. We have x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. 5x times x, 5x squared. 5 minus 5xy plus xy. Of course, squared, right? Now, minus 5xy plus xy, that's minus 4xy, then minus 2xy. So get a minus 6xy. For square term, I have x squared plus 5x squared, which is 6x squared. For y term, just y squared. And now we have a factored form and simplified. Can we factor inside? No, cannot be factored, and that's it. So this is the answer, the factored form. Very nice, isn't it?